What is going on, everybody on YouTube? Max Rock here with a brand new video, and this is going to be a quick unboxing of the Huawei Elate. Now, I got this device here because I returned the Alcatel Pulse Mix. A video is going to be coming out about that pretty soon to let you know why I returned it. It was a little car vlog I did, but I returned it and got this phone instead. Had some issues with the Alcatel Pulse Mix, so I'm hoping this one's going to be a little bit different. I already have the Huawei Honor 6X and Huawei. For this being my first device, first impressions of this one here, first impressions of how their devices and how their UI works and everything, pretty good so far. So I'm gonna see how this one is. So if you haven't heard of the Huawei Honor 8, or whoa, not Honor 8, the Huawei Elate, it is $64.99 at Best Buy. It is on Cricket Wireless, as you can see, and look at some of the specs here. Obviously, it's capable of 4G LTE. It's Android Nougat here. I believe it has Nougat on it. It's a 5.5-inch HD display. You get a 12 megapixel camera in the back. You get a front-facing 8 megapixel camera. You get a Snapdragon 435. It's an octa-core processor. It's clocked at 1.4 gigahertz, and you get a 4,000 milliamp hour battery with a metal back design. Some other specs included, I'm pretty sure, but we'll get into that in a moment. So I already got a little excited. I took the tab off a little bit. I'll just go ahead and finish that. This was $64.99 at Best Buy here. So pretty good specs, pretty impressive build for a phone at that price. They say with the metal back design here. The only thing I don't like about a lot of these phones that come from Cricket is that every phone, like AT&T, has to have the Cricket branding on the back. I get annoyed with that. Here's the phone itself. Oh, got that closing. Here's the phone itself here. It's the back of it, Cricket branding there. 4,000 milliamp hour battery, IMEI number. Obviously the battery's not removable, it's embedded. Micro USB for the charging. Pretty sure this is the speaker over here. This is the microphone over there. The headphone jack on top, noise canceling mic. Here's your 12 megapixel camera with the flash there. And your 8 should be in the front. There it is. 8 megapixel camera there is in the front. No LED flash, put that in the box. Good place for it. Get your Huawei branding. As you see, it is a micro USB charging port. So the phone looks good. Let me go ahead and get this back plastic off because I don't want anything back here. Because if you leave plastic on a phone like this, eventually dust starts to pack up around it. And when you take it off in the future, if you decide to, it looks disgusting. You gotta really clean it and wipe it. So better just get it out the way right now. I could find the IMEI number for it and everything in the future. And I could just do it with the software. And there's other ways to do it as well, by dialing in certain codes and everything. Hold on, get this clean. Okay, for now we're gonna leave it like that, but trust me, it's gonna be smooth next time I use it. So that's that there, that's the phone. And of course, you get this piece of cardboard. You get your books here. It's quickest get started guide, terms and conditions, clear and simple quick start guide for the Huawei Elate. Safety information, get a SIM card here, SIM injection tool, and you get your charging cable. I'm actually gonna leave this in the box here. There's no need for me to take this out. Is this a quick charge? Let me see. Let me check it out real quick, guys. 5 volt 2 amps. It might be quick charge. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments if this is a quick charge device. I'm not even sure. I'm not 100% sure at all. So, close this back up. Alrighty. This phone has 16 gigabytes of internal storage. I believe 2 gigs of RAM. Now, on top of the 2 gigs of RAM, go ahead and put that in there. Come on. Is that the right way? I'm not sure. Well, screw that. On top of the 2 gigs of RAM, I believe it does have a micro SD card slot for expansion of the memory. So I'm going to end up putting my SIM card in here just to give the phone a proper test. So hold on 1 second. All right, there's that. So here's the micro SD slot. Let me have a struggle here on camera. I'm putting this in the right way, right? Maybe I gotta turn it around. Maybe there are instructions. Oh, yep. I think it's saying to put it in this way. Okay, I'm struggling here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this video on pause. I'll be right back, guys. All right, that was a quick one there. So it turns out that I had to put it in backwards. So, yeah, that was weird. And with it going in like this, that direction, I'm pretty sure we just slide this in this way. Okay, slowly, boom, got it in. So, I'll turn the device on. Now the power buttons here on the right side of the device are not textured. So, basically what that means is that it's not gonna be that easy to tell the difference between the power button and the volume up and down keys, but one is bigger than the other, so that should be easy to get. Future Cricket branding. And the phone does have a nice metal build there, like I said in the box. Kind of nice for a phone to be 64 bucks with a metal build. Kind of throws me off. And it always throws me off with a phone like this. It's less than 100 bucks. It's kind of weird, but there's no complaints. I'm not complaining about it at all. I'm just saying that I'm shocked. Okay. So what I'm gonna do right now is go ahead and drop a little bit of information into the phone. I'm gonna pause the video and I'll be right back, y'all. 1 second. All right, y'all. So I'm still in the process of getting everything set up. So let me go ahead and do this here real quickly. I leave all that information on, why not? I can always disable it in the settings, not a problem. But as everything's getting set up here, is there a fingerprint scanner in this device? No, there isn't. It's not really a downside, but yeah. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and end this video here. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a like. I was gonna go ahead and put some information on the phone to see how it operated for me, but I'm gonna do that with the first 48 video, so that's coming up pretty soon. So leave a comment if you want to see anything specific with this device here. Keep in mind I don't have the Huawei, I don't have the Alcatel Pulse Mix anymore. That device has been returned, and this is a device that's replacing it here. So leave a comment if you want to see anything specific with it in the future. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. And be sure to like this video here. It helps the channel grow, and it's much appreciated. So, of course, I want to say thank you for watching this video. As you do know, my name is Max Rock, and you guys have a good day. Deuces.